Question 13, we've got an addition of algebraic fractions. We can't add together fractions unless they've got a common denominator. Generally with the algebraic fractions, the easiest way to get a common denominator is to multiply together the two denominators. So I'm going to write both these fractions over x brackets x minus 1. How do we turn this fraction into a fraction with x brackets x minus 1 in the bottom? We need to multiply the numerator by x minus 1. And how do we turn this fraction into a fraction with x brackets x minus 1 on the bottom? We need to multiply the numerator by x. Then what we have to do is expand the brackets on the top and collect like terms. And 4x plus 2x is 6x. Nothing to collect with the minus 4. And we've got the required result. Part B, hence or otherwise solve that equation. This expression is exactly the same one as we started with up here, so we can swap it for the 6x minus 4 all over x brackets x minus 1 is 3. When solving an equation with a fraction in, you usually want to get rid of the fraction pretty quickly, and we do that by multiplying through by the term that's the denominator. So that gives us 6x minus 4 is 3 brackets x minus 1. If we expand the brackets on the right hand side, we get 3x squared minus 3x, and I'm also going to bring all of these terms over onto the right hand side, so that's minus 6x plus 4. We've got 0 left on the left hand side. We'll now simplify the right hand side by collecting together the minus 3x and the minus 6x, and what we end up with is a 3-term quadratic. So in order to solve this, you've got 3 possible ways. You can factorize it, you can use the formula, or you can complete the square. Well, if you look carefully, this one's not going to factorize easily. You can try out if you want to, so therefore we're going to have to use the formula, which is minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a, where a is 3, b is minus 9, and c is positive 4. So substitute those values of a, b and c into your formula. You've got minus 9 plus or minus root of minus 9 squared minus 4 times 3 times 4 all over 2 times 3. And then we put that into our calculator. Minus 9, the two negatives become a positive, so that's 9, plus root of minus 9 squared, make sure you put brackets around your negative number before you square it, minus 4 times a times c, all over 2 times a. There's one of your roots, 9 plus root 33 over 6, and you can see from the calculator that that won't simplify any further. We want to use the exact value. We want to give the surd rather than the decimal answer. And then the other root is found by 9 take away root 33. And we can express those as a solution like that.